Let's talk about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds that contain hydrogen and carbon. So we have three main types: alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. So let's talk about alkanes first. Alkanes are hydrocarbons that contain only carbon-to-carbon single bonds. Let's look at an example. The simplest one, methane. So here, take a look at the prefix and the suffix. Prefix is meth and the suffix is a. Meth means one, so we have carbon, which is just one atom. Let's look at another example. Here, the prefix is eth and the suffix is a. So eth means two. We have two carbon atoms. Like this, first draw the carbon skeleton. It is called a skeleton. Then fill out the remaining hydrogens. Then let's look at propane. Prop means 3. Then we have A. Here also we have 3 carbon atoms. Then you can fill out the remaining hydrogens. Likewise, we have butane and pentane as well. Then we'll move on to alkenes. Alkenes are hydrocarbons that contain carbon-to-carbon double bonds. Similarly, let's look at an example. Now we have ethene. Here the prefix is eth and the suffix is ene. Then we draw this molecule. Eth means 2. But now, since it's ene, it should be a double bond. Then you can fill out the remaining hydrogens. So remember, each carbon atom should have only 4 lines since its valency is 4. Then we can draw another one, propene. The prefix is prop and the suffix is ene. Prop means 3. Fill out the double bonds. Then you can fill out the remaining hydrogens. Here you don't get any hydrogens since there are already 4 lines. You can draw butene on your own. Now let's talk about the derivatives. So earlier we drew the ethene molecule. So now, for example, if a chlorine atom gets added to here, like this. Now we call this chloroethene. Let's take another example. Let's take tetrafluoroethene. Now see, it has something to do with the ethene molecule, right? Ethene. Likewise, first draw the ethene structure. Then we have the words tetra and fluoro. Tetra means 4. Fluoro refers to the fluorine atom. Then that means instead of the 4 hydrogen atoms, you have to draw 4 fluorine atoms. Now you have the tetrafluoroethene molecule. Let's look at the last example. Polyethene, which is also called as polythene. So here you can see from the word itself, it has the prefix poly, then ethene. That means it's a combination, it's a polymer or a chain of the ethene molecules. That is how you get the polythene. We'll discuss about these things in our future videos. Stay tuned.